Hey, this is my bike check. I've got the 2012 We the People Justice. And so, here we go. I've got white ODI long neck grips. Then, got We the People dark and chrome 29 wide bars. Pretty good. Then the We the People Justice seat. Then I've got eclat pedals, dark and chrome cranks. Then the hubs are salt. Not sure what type. Most of everything that comes on this bike is mostly salt. So yeah, got salt forks that come on it. We've got salt head clamp. It's alright. The tyres are salt. They're pretty good. The chain is a salt chain. Then the sprocket, that's salt. Not sure type. And yeah, the bike's pretty good, if you ask me. Yeah, I like it. I reckon the good thing about it is that it's not too heavy or it's not too light. So yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, from Backbone, they cost 520. No sales or nothing. So yeah, and that's my 2012 We the People Justice bike check. Oh yeah, and you can also get them in black and red. The only difference is really the bars are red and the cranks are red. So, and the stickers are all red and that. So yeah, that's my bike check.